guys, this is the choreography for the last movement, movement 4, the war movement. I'm going to do half of the movement on this chunk, and then I'm going to do the half the movement on another chunk, but I'm going to do the flag part first, and then I'll do the rifle part afterwards. If you're on a flag, you're going to take your flag and strip it from the tab up to the bottom of the pole, so both of your thumbs are underneath the pole, and you're going to start facing the back. Half of the flags will come in the first for 16 counts on set 4 for measures 6 through 9, and the other half of the flags will come in on set 5 for 16 counts for measures 10 through 16. And the work's kind of a repeat, so once you see it the first time, you'll kind of know what to do. So the first group that comes in is going to start at an angle. It's very sharp choreography. 1, 2, you're going to come to an upside down right shoulder. 3, 4, 5, 6, back to the right shoulder. 7, 8, you're going to point your flag so it's parallel to the end zone and pointing towards the back sideline. You're going to turn to your right. 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're facing the back sideline again. And then you're going to row your flag over. 13, 14, 15, 16, back to the starting spot. Okay, so you went 1, 3, 5, back sideline, turn, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now the second group will join in and you'll repeat it. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is where the change is now. All you're going to do is bring your flag out and strip the silk out. 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to hold here for 16 counts, and you're going to start out facing the back sideline, but you'll turn to the front very quickly. This will be now set 6, measures 14 through 16 for 14 through 17 for 16 counts. You're going to cross your left leg under so your knees touch, and you're going to bring your flag over your head. 1, 3, 4. It's going to be flat, and you're going to check the audience. So that's an audience participation looking moment. So you're going to go 1, 3, 4. Turn to the audience. You're going to take your flag and do a saute on your right foot and bring your flag flatter on your body like this. 5, 6, 7, up 8 to like a regular right shoulder. Okay, so you went 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now there's an accent on 9 and 10. But 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to push your flag down at an angle. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so you went 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, the next 16 counts is going to be set 7, measures 18 through 21. Sorry, your flag ended up on this side. So the previous set, you ended up with your flag here. That was the hold that you did this. 5, 7, 8, up, out, up. So I have both hands over at the end of that. So I didn't make sure that you knew that before. I'm going to step off on my right foot for the next set because my weight is already kind of going that way. But you'll get back and step right away. So you're going to bring your flag up, and you're going to take a saute on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep turning. 6, 7, 8. You're going to put your hand on the tab. So you went 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay? From here, you're going to take your flag up. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9, 11, 13, 15, 16. Very easy. Up, cradle, up, bring it down. So we're going to end up in a regular slam at the end of that. Good? Okay. So again, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we should be at a hold in a diagonal line on for set 8. It's an 8 count hold, measures 23 through 23. So what needs to happen though is when you guys get to this set, every other person needs to face the back of the field. So we all going to do the same part, but you need to face some people to the front, some people to the back. So I'll do that in both directions so you can see it. So here's the 8 count hold. 1, pop your flag up so you're about a third to the bottom third of the pole. 1, 3, 4. Okay, so again, pop, flat, push. This is flat, should be flat on both, and my weight is on both of my knees are bent. So lift, so I shift my weight, flat butt, push it over, back to that side, 7, 8, hands come together. So pop, squeeze in, squeeze, pull it around, down, and 8. That's count 8. That's the 8 count hold. So if I'm facing the back, I would have gone this way. 1, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the next 16 counts, it's an 8, next 8 count phrase. We're going to start out facing opposite directions with the same work, but we're going to get back to the front of the same thing. So we just finished this, 7, 8. You're going to push your flag straight up like this, not fully extended, just right above your head. So you don't want to squish your body, you don't want to look like a really weird turtle shape. You just want to kind of pull your shoulders down and lift your flag up. You're going to take your left foot, step up, you're going to go into a passe, a saute and passe. So you're going to go 1, 3, 4. So the accent is just like that. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it flat. So if I started out facing the back, I would have gone 1, 3, 4, turn to the front on 7, 8. So now we're all facing the front by the end of those 8 counts. Okay, so we just did the split front and back part where we move together. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So everybody gets flat with their flag on 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. We're all at a step for those 8 counts. Now we're going to get back and step on count 9. You're going to bring your flag up above your head, both arms straight up, and you're going to do the same foot motion. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sorry, that starts over again on 1. So the 8 count transition was measures 24 through 25. This set. 1, 5, 7, 8. That's 8 counts for measures 24 through 25. Now we're on measures 26 through 29 for page 10. Okay? So we're going to go 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. My right hand switches on 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I'm facing that way because the flags are moving into a vertical line. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9, 11, 12, 13 is flat, 14, 15, 16. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 12 and 13 are very accurate counts. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 14 is also straight up, but it's just right here. Okay? From here, you should have your right foot out, flags are in a straight line. It's a 4 count hold, 4 accents. Bup, 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 bup. So the flag, all the flag did was go up, down, very sharp. All your body does is go bup, 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 bup. Your head comes down, comes up on the land, and it goes down the jump. So you go bup, bup, down, look. And you should be in play in second position. So, bup, 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 bup. Those are those 4 counts, a 4 count accent. That 4 count hold was at measure 30 on set 4. 4 counts, measure 30 on set 11. So that's set 11, was this. Bup, 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 bup. Now from here we move for 16 counts to set 12, measures 31 to 34. You're going to slide your hands together and turn to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So both hands are on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it around your body. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your flag up. 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's going to put you at the end of measure 34. Now there's a 4 count hold for measure 35. You're going to slice your flag over, straight to the end zone. 1. Bring your right foot to your left. Point your flag to the back. 2, 3, 4. So again, you went 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So really 1 and 4 are very sharp. 2 and 3 is very active. There's a lot of movement in 2 and 3, but 1 and 4 are very sharp. You step out, come together, step back out. That will put you at the end of measure 35 at set 13. So, I'm going to review this for you. So we did the hold, we did this hold, 1, this is the percussion part, 6, 7, 8. Now there's an 8 count move from measures 24 through 25. Some of us are facing backwards for the set. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now we have a 16 count move that takes us to measures 26 through 29. So we're going to go 1, 5, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we have a 4 count hold. We step out, up, 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 up. That should be measure 30. Measure 30. Now we're going to turn for 4. 1, 3, 4. Bring your flagger around. 8. Here's count 8. 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. That should put us at measure 34. Set 12. Set 13 is a hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That puts us at the end of measure 35. Okay, the last 16 and 4 that we're going to learn for today is going to be for sets 14 and 15, which will be a 16 and a 4 count hold, measures 36 through 39, and then measure 40. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. And actually, on count 4, I don't want you on the bottom of the pole. I want you to be about a third in. So start again. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. You're going to extend your flag up. 9, 10, 11, 12. All hands are switched. 13, 14, 15, 16. Back to this angled position. Okay? So you went 1, 5, 9, 3, 4, 15, 16. Now there's a 4 count hold at measure 39, measure 40. So your flag does this. It goes to this angle. It goes down to the front. It goes to this corner, down to the sideline. So it makes like a checked pattern. Angle, forward, corner, down. So now you go body lifts, then you go into plie, then you stay in a plie for that whole thing. Ba, 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 ba. I push my weight over on the last count. Up, down, down, down. Ba, 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 ba. That's the 4 count hold. So, I went 1, 5, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ba, 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 ba. Alright guys, here's the rifle part. Now I'm going to tell you this, the first 2 sets, sets 2 and 3, measures 1 and 2 and measures 3 and 5, should really kind of be character, dance driven. I feel like it should be a little more individualized. So as you're coming out, you have to think about how this is the war piece, and so there's a lot of like leaping and a lot of like individual stuff that should take place. It should be very varied as the groups come in on the field. So it's not choreographed, but you should, once you figure out what you're doing, you should do the same exact thing every time. So someone was going to have to help you guys work through that. But by the end of set 3, which is measure 5, we should all be facing the back. It's the first 20 counts of that song. So it's an 8 and a 12. We should be in a cradle, so make sure everybody start in a cradle. Do all your free form stuff. Whatever it is you're doing, whatever it is that you want to do, as you come out into the field, make sure it's in a cradle and it facing the back. Okay, set 4, measures 6 through 9 is 16 counts. You're going to bring your rifle up like this and grab underneath your elbow by the strap and step onto your left foot like that. 1, it's a little saute. 1, 3, flip 4, 5. You're going to catch it. It's a very small flip. 1, saute, 3, flip, catch. Facing that way. Now on count 5, when I catch it, I'm going to push it into another saute. So I'm going to go saute, 3, flip, push, 7, 8. It's going to come down all across your body. Okay? 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now I'm facing this way, I'm in step. I'm going to do a hitch kick on count 9, and I'm going to keep my rifle in this back plane. I'm moving this way in the drill, and I'm facing the back side. 9, 11, 12, I'm at an angle, and the bolt is facing towards my body, and both hands are over. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to push out, so my right hand grabs under the swivel, right there. See the swivel is right here. My pinky is right next to it. So I did 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, hold 16. That's going to put you to the end of set 4, measure 6 through 9. Now we're going to do set 5, 16 counts, measures 10 through 13. Flip 1, 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, look 4, should be all smooth. Keep going, 5, 6, lift the butt up, 7, grab next to your body on count 8. So it makes a complete circular motion, a big circular motion around your body. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I kind of grab it on 7 and I pull it down on 8. You guys see that? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to push it across. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think you're actually going to end up on flat on 14. So let's see. So we did 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make count 8 come across. Let's go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. I think that will make a little more sense musically. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. That's going to put you to the end of set 5, measures 10 through 13. Now we're going to move 16 counts from measure 6, measures 4, set 6 measures 14 through 17. You're going to pop your rifle up and kick your foot out. 1, 3. You're actually going to let go of your rifle. 1, 3, 4. Turn 5, 7, 8. You're going to take a saute passe on your left foot. 9, 11, 12. 9, it comes inside your elbow. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're going to pause with your feet together on 15, 6s. You need to be to your spot by count 15. So you went 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 16. Yep. From here, next set. Going to set, we're moving to set 7. Measures 18 through 21. You're going to take a turn. 1, 3, 4. Count 4 straight up and down. It's very aggressive. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to push your rifle up on 9, straight up, and extend your leg out. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. You're going to have the end of the rifle, and you're going to be between the swivel and the bolt. 13, 14. You're going to take a small release, whether it's a single or a double. 15, 16, 1. When you catch it, you're going to cross your left knee behind, catch on the end, and catch in the neck. So you went 9, 11, 13, 14. If you guys can do a double, 15, 16, 1. That's great. That'll work just fine. Okay, so we did 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 5th. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and push. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Now this is going to be a hold for 8 counts, and then another hold for 8 counts. Rifles actually get to hold twice. So everybody holds for 8, and then the rifles hold for 8. So we're going to be holding for 8 in set 9, and then another 8, all hold in set 8 for 8 counts, and another hold in set 9 for 8 counts. So we're going to hold for measures 22 to 25. So you cut on count 1. You lift your rifle up. It's going to look like it's going to look like it floats. 1, 3, 5. Okay. 1, 3, 5. I step out into a plie. Now we're in 2 lines. So you need to make the back line, bring the rifle across, 7, 8 to this side. So you went 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. I switch my hands on 7, 8 as I move them over. Swivel, end. If I'm in the front line, 1, 3, 5, push it out. This next section, you're going to stay, it's a hold for this next day, so you stay very low and grounded in play the whole time. So if I'm in the front row, I went over here, I'm going to stay low like I'm sneaking. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 4 are low. Low, row, low. 5, 6, 7, 8. You bring it down to an angle and bring your feet together at another audience moment, and you should pose your body in a very aggressive stance. Okay? So you went 1, 3, pull down 4.